Wait, what time is it?
Give me 1 second. Checking now.
Mark! We only have 4 bags. Where's the blue one? Mark?
Enjoying the story? Subscribe to Emma Easy English. Turn on the bell icon for more slow English stories.
It's in the car. I put it in the car last night.
Remember how stressed we were this morning?
Don't worry, Hopper. We're going on an airplane.
Okay, everyone ready?
Let's go, now.
Car's running. Let's move, everyone.
Door's locked. Lucas, is your bag in?
You brought Hopper again? We're going on a plane, not a picnic. He wants to see the clouds, too.
Traffic looks heavy. We need to hurry. Come on, move. Move. Not again. Seriously? Red again?
Our flight board's in 50 minutes.
Dad, there's a space on the right.
There it is. Almost there.
Okay, Zay, everyone grab a bag. Let's go!
I hope we didn't forget anything.
It says, boarding starts in 40 minutes.
Mia, what's wrong? Hopper's ear is coming off. What if it falls all the way during the flight?
Hold on tight, everyone. We're gonna make it. That sign. Please don't say road work.
Come on. Load.
Dad, there's cones. A lot of them. Okay, I see them. Everything's all right.
Of all days.
Are we gonna miss it?
Okay, we're moving again. But we lost time.
If traffic stays clear, we make it. Just barely.
Let me see. Maybe I can fix it before we get there. Be careful with him.
There it is! Get as close as you can. Okay, I'm pulling over now.
Go, 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 go! I'll park and catch up!
Stay close to me, both of you.
I didn't have time to fix it. We'll fix it when we get there. It'll be okay.
The line. It's so long.
Over there, Cherry. That line's shorter.
Thank you! Thank you so much!
We're trying to make our flight.
No problem. Thank you.
Let me check. Your flight is boarding soon. I'll move fast.
Are we gonna make it?
You'll make it now, but you need to hurry through security.
Come on, Vra. Security's this way. Let's go.
Another line. Okay, Zad, fast as we can.
Come on, come on, come on! Wait, where's Hopper? Next.
Next, sir.
I have him. I forgot to give him back.
Next group, please. Let's keep it moving. It's just my belt. I forgot to take it off.
Please be quick.
All clear. Grab your things and go.
Okay then, gates are this way. Let's move.
All right, coming!
Wait for me.
Wait, did our gate just change?
It says gate 9 on our pass. But the board just changed.
Which way? We don't have time to guess wrong.
Ask her. She'll know. She'll know.
Excuse me, War, has our gate changed? We're flight 224.
It says gate 14, but wasn't it gate 9?
Give me 1 second. Checking now.
Yes, Riff, it moved to gate 14. That's the other terminal wing.
Gate 14 banning. Let's go, fast!
Mia, need help? No, I got it. I'm okay. I can do it.
Please still be boarding. Please.
Is this still boarding for flight 224?
Yes, they just made the final call.
Oh, thank goodness. Where is everyone?
Are you the Whitfield family?
Yes. Yes, that's us.
We were about to close the doors.
Can we still board?
No, honey, I'm so sorry. The plane left already.
You made it, Palbar. Just in time. Come on through.
We actually made it. I can't believe we made it.
We really did.
About time.
Hopper, we're almost there. Just hold on a little longer.
Welcome aboard Tutang. Careful stepping in.
Hopper's ear! Got it. Safe and sound. Thank you. Thank you. I'll fix it myself.
Row 14 year, right here.
We really cut that close.
We made it. All of us, together.
Next stop, Wayne. Vacation.
Almost done, Hopper. Just a little more.
Oh.
There. All better now.
Ha ha! We're moving!
I fixed him. Both ears. Wow.
You really did.
They did good today. Here we go.
We're flying. Hopper, look! Whoa. Everything looks so small. We really did it.
La, la.
This is what it's all for.
It's so pretty up here.
Want to play a game, Mia?
Na 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 na. Ah, yes. Hopper wants to play too.
Remember how stressed we were this morning?
Worth every stressful second.
This is my favorite part of traveling.
Good night, Hopper. We made it. Sleep tight, Mia.
Every trip is a little chaotic, but we always make it one. Together.
Some days test a family, but they always come home stronger.
Have you ever almost missed a flight? Tell us what happened in the comments.